Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as we have completed with the texturing part over here, let's start up with the lighting part. As you can see over here, we have assigned V-Ray sun over here for this. So now what I'm going to do over here is like very first of all, so for example this is your main light over here. We'll go into this and we'll reduce its intensity multiplier to 0.5 over here. Also we are going to assign one more V-Ray light right from this direction over here. So what we'll be doing is like we'll be assigning one light over here right from this direction. We'll just push this up a bit over here, and into this we'll reduce its, first we'll just change the color of this light, reduce its intensity multiplier to 3 over here. Let's go down into the options, double sided, and let's make it as invisible and off the cast shadows. So we are going to assign one light from this direction, and also we are going to emit one light from this direction, but its intensity will be very less over here. So we'll be reducing its intensity of this light to 0.5 over here, and let's go back to the camera view over here and let's render and see how it looks like. So now if you see over here, you can see that the light which is emitting is very high. We can just reduce that particular lights over here. So the lights emitting from this, that's your sunlight. Let's go back to the camera view over here, and intensity multiplier 0.05, and let's just render and see how it looks like. Now it looks much better over here. So we'll make sure that we are not going towards the more of a orangish look over here. We are definitely going to change the color over here to this more of yellowish tone over here. So we can increase its intensity. We can increase its intensity more if you want. We can increase its intensity of light. So let's just render and see how it looks like. We also require some of the lights. Over here, a bit of low intensity lights. So what I'll be doing over here is like I'll be just taking a copy of those lights over here, and what I'll be doing is, this is just kind of a supporting light over here. So I can convert this light into a dome. I can just make it as a dome over here. I'll just rotate this light over here. You can just rotate this light and reduce its intensity multiplier to 0.1 or 0.2, because if you go on with the value of 1, so it might increase the value. So we are not going to put a very harsh light. We just need a bit of a supporting over here. So we can just push this up, and we still need one more light over here which is been kept over here. So now let's just render and see how it looks like. Oh, it's very high. So we need to reduce this lights. So it's like, if you see this, we need to reduce its intensity to 0.2 and 0.2, and let's render. So if you see that the main light is your sunlight, it should be more illuminated. The rest of the light should be less illuminated. So 0.06, 0.06. Let's render and see how it looks like. Yeah, that looks much better. So we can increase the intensity of the lights if you want. We can just increase its intensity. We select this is 0.5, and if we make this as 2 over here, and let's render and see how it looks like. We can just render it and see. There are a lot of things we need to work on it right now. So if you don't want to take this as a dome light, you can definitely change it into a plane again, and you can again change it to the plane. And let's render this. Let's see how it looks like. Or either you can keep this lights in this way also. So there are other ways, like you can just select this light, you can just scale it, you can rotate this, and you can just push this lights in this way. So you can just delete this light. I'll just select this light and I'll just place it again over here. And if you feel that the light is a bit less, we can just shift to 0.1, and let's see how it looks like. So much better. So we can still increase the intensity. Make sure the intensity is not very high. Yeah, looks much better. So you can illuminate this area over here. We need to illuminate this area perfectly. Yeah, it looks much better. Still, if you see over here, we can put some lights over here also. Let's keep on saving this file. Let's go into the perspective view, and if you want, you can push this lights. You can rotate this up. So let's see how it looks like. So I think it's very high. So if it is required, then only you put this lights, or else it's not that required over here. So we can uh, easily delete those lights also. So instead of taking two lights, we can just take this as one light over here, and let's render it. Okay, the intensity should be a bit lesser over here. As I explain you, no decay. Make sure you're activating this option, that's no decay, for the lights. So we need only the cast shadow for that. So we'll just select this light, no decay. Select this light and no decay. So let's go back again and let's render and see how it looks like. Oops, it's very high. We need to reduce its multiplier over here. Still we need to work on its multiplier. We can take this as 1 over here, take this as 1, and let's render and see how it looks like. It's too high. Select this lights, 0.02, so we can just reduce its intensity over here, intensity of all of this lights over here. Much better. Still we need to reduce it because our main key light is your sunlight over here. So we can increase its intensity multiplier of sun over here, and the rest of the lights can keep it very less. And let's render and see how it looks like. Much better. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.